And I want to touch on an area of the product that's developed quite rapidly, quite recently. And it's also an area of the product that a lot of our customers, because they have Inventor, because they might have maybe one of the other Autodesk products, something like 3D Studio or maybe Revit, that a lot of our customers are utilizing. And it also makes Symmetry quite unique, I think, in the market in terms of the configuration that we're offering. So if we look at the design automation side of things then, and that output side, we can start to build up a picture. We have our configurator. In this case, we've got a link to our ERP system. But what we can also do is we can also install onto local design workstations our design automator software, which is a connection to the configurator. In this case here, we're going to use Inventor, or we've got Inventor. So inside Inventor, we actually get another toolbar, which is our design automator. What that allows us to do is that when we push that design automator button, we can get those recipes or those configurations or those quotes that have been stored inside the configurator, and we can start to act upon those. So here's my orders. We saw that list of orders that we have in the product. One order is okay, but we actually want more information in that order. In this case here, a full list of information is being built up inside the order. We're taught that the bill of materials is building up inside the configurator. We haven't touched any of our design software yet, but we get enough information to start building the product. So inside our Inventor, we can actually go and select the configuration that we want, and then we can hit the button to say generate. Now, we can then link the bills of materials information to a model. We can also use iLogic and the logic behind that, but we can actually then start to automate the production of a model based on the bill of materials information that is inside the configurator. We can also then from that produce drawings, and using again iLogic, and again that's something that Symmetry is very, very strong in, we can automate the production of drawings based on the iLogic information. So from my configuration, once we're in design, from a design engineer point of view, sitting in front of Inventor, gather together the configuration. I can have that configuration in a more detailed look. I can then go and make the model for it. And the model then, I can also make the drawings and all of the downstream documentation that we might need for our product and our production and our engineering based on that. So that's really, really, it's a really powerful solution that we have. That means from an engineering point of view, we're very focused on engineering side of configuration. So we have a great product in configurator, and we also have a great link to the engineering and design departments.